Hello,
Hi,
good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, I am doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic and fit as fiddle. And thank you so much for reaching out and have this conversation with me. So, welcome to my session and on channel. So, before dive into the session, shall we start with introduction first? So, I would love to introduce. Could you introduce? Sorry, could you introduce yourself?
Yes, definitely. So, my name is Kirti. I hail from Bihar. I have done Bachelor of Commerce and I am a proud homemaker and a mother of one kid. Apart from this, my hobby is reading book, listening song, cooking, traveling, and learning new skills. And apart from this, I have also started my YouTube channel. So it is a, I mean, I have started as a scratch for learning purpose.
Yeah, great. Lovely to hear that you have a YouTube channel, because if you have a YouTube channel, then you will try to improve every single day, right? So this is your improvement, I would say, right? So
Yes.
may I introduce yourself?
Yes.
Okay, so let me introduce myself. As you know that my name is Kiran Shah. I'm from West Bengal. And if I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors, and now I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. And if I talk my hobbies, so currently I have uh, talking to new people. So this is my hobby. So that's all about me. S- So before,
Thank you.
yeah. So I think
Thank you
when,
for your
okay. So when did you start your YouTube journey?
I have started my YouTube channel, I think 1 month ago.
Okay. And you are from Bihar.
Yes.
To hear that you are from Bihar, because my roots are from Bihar too. So
Okay.
as you can understand that Bihar to Bihar, right?
Yes. Nice to hear you.
Yeah, this is my pleasure.
Mm.
Great. So which district do
So,
you belong?
yeah, I am from Patna.
Great, great.
And
Okay.
you?
Yeah, I never stay there, but I basically I'm from Jammu. You know, Jammu is it's a Banka Jila, Jammu Jila.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I'm from
Okay.
there, but since my childhood, I have been living here. So just for occasionally when any function that is, so I go there. Otherwise, whole things happen in my West Bengal. So I can
Okay.
say that I raised and brought up in West Bengal. But I,
Okay. So,
yeah, please
yeah, so from since childhood, you are living in West Bengal.
yeah, from since my childhood.
Okay. So your studies also had have completed there.
Yeah, yeah. My study, my marriage. So everything happened in West Bengal. Yeah.
Okay. Nice to hear.
So which type of content do you upload on your channel?
Actually, I am learning English, so that content I have uploaded.
Like a conversational video, solo video, shorts,
Yes.
everything.
Yes. Yes.
Great, great. Yeah. So can you tell me that about your journey? That what type of when did you start your speaking journey and speaking learning English language? So can you explain it?
So after having my marriage, so I went to Bangalore. So their environment was very different.
Yeah.
So from that's why I have started my journey. But from earlier, I was not focused. So now, actually, I will say for 4 months, I have in focused in this journey.
Or month.
So that's why. And earlier I was trying to learn English, but I was watching movies, I was reading newspapers, so that didn't work on me. So and I will say I was not doing purposely, that's why I didn't learn. But nowadays I am learning purposely and I have a goal also, so that's why I am improving my English.
Great. So 4 month now you are working on. So now you are speaking well because it's not a
Yeah,
long time. So great.
yeah,
If you have tried to speaking, sorry, if you have tried to speak, definitely you will be grow, right? So this is
yes,
our up to we, and this is up to us that how much we are dedicated of learning English language. This is up to
yes,
us, right? So great.
yes.
Mm,
So can I ask one question? So
yeah. So
how did you started your English journey?
how? Yeah, starting, I just watched some sentences, but I was not fond of learning English language. But just when I got to know that due to English language, my children were suffering at school and they were sitting just quietly. So I thought I should also learn English language and help to my kid. Right. So that is why I started my journey. But now I'm learning English language. Just I can say that I'm enjoying this journey. So these days I'm improving and I'm learning. So I can say that I'm improving. So I'm very happy to uh, I'm very happy to learn this language.
Okay, so how means which platform do you means which platform you are using for learning?
Firstly,
Yes.
yeah, when I started my journey, so started with audio call. That was mm, Jostock application. There are so many
Mm,
applications nowadays as Fluency and Talk Now. So many applications.
mm,
So I personally took subscription for Jostock and then I started for audio call. That helped me to open up my mouth because without open up mouth we can't speak. So firstly we have to open up our mouth and then after we should try to focus our fluency and then accuracy. This is
o-
I think this is the way we should uh, we go. So that is the thing I started with audio call and now just I think 4 months it's going on. So I'm working on video call.
Okay, so any mentor was there who taught us?
No, no. There were no, there was no any mentor. This application just for co-learner. Okay, you have knowledge to how to speak, and how to express your thought. You very well know. Okay, but if you can't speak, then you will not able to speak this language. So this application just for your fear, just for overcome your fear, hesitation, and you can try to speak this application for that only. There is no mentor, and I can say that no guidelines, just for co-learner, just for practice.
Okay.
So have you tried to this type of application?
Actually, I didn't try it, but I have joined one platform. There I am talking with co-learners and I am enhancing my skill. You know about Sunita ma'am?
Yeah, Sunita Adventure.
Yes, yes.
So
There
you
I have
joined
joined on,
okay.
yeah, I joined on WhatsApp. So yeah, it's have been 3 months. 3 months. So that's why I am also improving my English skill. And earlier means you said right, means if you don't speak up, so you cannot improve your English. So for that means for any means any language, we have to speak up and we try to open our mouth and interact with people. So that's why we will learn and we will grow, right?
Yeah,
So that is very important part of in learning any language.
yeah. I didn't take any mentor, any tutor for my learning English language. I just learned English through the YouTube channel. And now, just sometime when I get time, so I read book sometime. So this is the way I do. And apart from this, I'm a homemaker and mother of two boys. So it is not possible for me that do any other things. So this is the way I do.
Yes. Okay, so can I ask one question
Yeah,
to you?
definitely.
Okay, so do you think English should be studied as a subject or lives as a language? Why?
Yeah. English, could you please repeat your question?
Do you think English should be studied as a subject or live as a language?
Yeah,
Why?
it's depend on you that if you learn English as a subject, so you learn English just a subject. You can't speak. But if you focus for speaking, then you will be able to speak English language. So it's depend on you. It's up to you that what type of things required for you as a child
Yes.
when we learn English. So that time we learn English as a subject. We don't think like we should speak English language. Okay. So that
Yes.
time we are learning English just as a subject. But now we are feeling the importance of English language. So that's why we are focusing for speaking, right? So our
Yes.
speaking slowly and gradually it would be increase, right? And
Mm.
otherwise when we started for learning English language, not learning English as a subject, so we learn as a subject only. So it's depend
Yes.
on you that which thing is required for you.
Yes, you are saying right. It's totally depend on person to person why they are learning. For
Yeah,
I will say if we are if we are study as a subject, so so we learn only bookish language, right? We learn grammars rules, we learn question answer stories. We so yeah, it's depend up to me how we have learned. We have to learn, right? And yeah, and I will say nowadays English is a global language, so that's why we are learning. Because if you go any schools, any colleges, yeah, any hospitals also, so they talk in only English, right? In PTM also we uh, face problem, right? So that is that's why we are learning. And yeah, means if we are learning, so definitely we are also growing, and our we also see our personal growth inside also, and we feel confident, and yeah, we talk to anyone with confident.
true
So
that.
yeah, that is totally depend on person to person why they are learning English.
Yeah, if you have a strong desire, a strong reason,
Yes.
definitely you will
Yes.
push yourself for learning English speaking, right? And otherwise
Yes.
otherwise a person just think like there is no need for me, just I'm happy with my life, I'm satisfied with my life, so there is no need for learning English language. So it's depend on you, right? So yeah.
But I will say now, English is very important for everyone, because
Yeah,
we know little bit about English also. If you are living in a village also, so if we are going to purchase medicine, so if don't know, so how to read that, right? Because sometimes we take medicine also expiry is also, so we cannot. If we don't know English, so how we means see that the mistakes and right.
yeah. So we should learn every single day. We should learn. Some guy, some lady. I have already met so many lady. See, they are. just she uh, tell me she tells me that you know what, I don't know English. So I suggest her that there is no age limitation. If you want to learn,
Mm.
then you can learn. If you that thing like now there is no need for me, so you will not try to learn anything. So
Yes.
if you have desire, definitely you can learn. Because if I think you know about me that I left my study for 10 years and now I'm learning. That is my passion, that I'm thinking that now I can learn, so I'm learning.
Mhm.
So this is the way.
Yes, for learning, I will say there is a no age limits, because nowadays I am seeing so many means elders also they are learning, they are enhancing,
Hmm.
because they are thinking why we are wasting our time. We can learn, we can grasp many things, uh, and if we think okay, my age has happened, so we cannot learn. So yeah, it's their mindset. We cannot change their
Yeah.
mindset, right?
We can't change anyone. We can change
Yes.
ourselves. If we are interested to learn, then definitely we try to learn.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So, any other question?
No, if you have, so okay, so can I ask another question? What small habit can we start today so we have to immerse ourselves in English?
What is small habit? Right.
Yes, yes,
Okay. So, if you learn English language, so firstly you have to try to learn every single day just one, two vocabulary. Right. Don't
yes,
take pressure. Just one, two vocabulary is enough, and try to make sentence. And then after, try to not that much sentence, just try to make sentence which we can use in our daily life. So this is our
yes,
small work that we should do every single day, and slowly and gradually we will able to speak English language. Right. So
yes,
start with a small word, small sentence, and then after look at around that what the things that you don't know the English name of the object. To try to learn the object name in English. So this is the
yes.
first step for learning English language.
Yeah, definitely you are saying right. Means if we are taking baby step every day, so definitely we have to enhance ourselves and we can learn more and more. So yeah, and I will say if you are consistent and if you are practiced every day, so definitely we have to grow and we have learn more. And bit by bit, I will say I have improve ourselves, because if we are thinking no, I am giving our time and effort, but we are not learning. So in that situation we keep patience, and I learn from means in my journey, actually consistency is a more important to learn English. Without consistency we cannot learn. And if you have a purpose, if you have a desire, so definitely we can do anything. These two things I learned from my journey, actually, because earlier I was also learning, but that time I don't have purpose and I was not consistent. So that's why I was not learning. But when I have started my journey, so these two things, and one more thing, discipline also, actually I learn
Yeah,
from my
discipline
journey,
is
actually.
most important because sometimes
Yes.
we, yeah, sometimes we expire, sorry, sometimes we motivate by others, right? But we, if we don't have discipline, then we should try to only 1, 2 day, and then after we leave, we give up our journey. So discipline is most, yeah.
Yes. And yeah, we have to learn daily. You told in one or two vocab, and we have to use in our conversation. So that way, we have to improve our vocabulary also, and we enhance our English journey also. Because sometimes we stuck, right? So I will say lack of vocabulary also we have to stuck and I have seen myself also with whenever I got any topic, so that time I speak only 2 or 3 times.